Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add stickers in Instagram chats. So let's start with the first one, which is open a chat conversation. So you just have to launch your Instagram application and navigate your direct messages. And from there, you just have to open any existing conversation or even start a new chat with a friend where you want to send stickers. Next is in the chat input area, you just have to look for the sticker or the emoji icon near the text field. So just tap on it to open the sticker picker panel with all the available sticker options. And next is scroll through the sticker categories or use the search bar to find the specific stickers, or you can also tap any sticker that you like to preview before sending. Next is once you have selected a sticker, you have to tap it to send it immediately to the chat. So the sticker will appear in the conversation as a visual message. Lastly is you can have fun with the stickers. So keep the conversation lively by using different stickers, and you can also send multiple stickers, and you can also react to messages with sticker and explore new sticker packs regularly. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!